Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of your Wix site. This is incredibly useful if you've made changes you're not happy with or accidentally deleted something important. Let me walk you through the entire process step by step. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear. From these options, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific site management area where you can access all your website settings and tools. From here, you'll be able to see all your website settings displayed. Make sure that this is the actual website you wish to restore a version from. It's important to double check this, especially if you manage multiple sites, because you want to ensure you're working with the correct one before proceeding with any restoration. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to open your site editor. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be able to access the site history feature that holds all your previous versions. You'll now be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor screen. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the Site menu dropdown, which is labeled as Wix. Click on it to reveal a series of options that control various aspects of your site management. From the drop-down options that appear, click on Site History. A small window will pop up, providing you with a quick overview. From here, click on Go to Site History to proceed. This button will take you to the full revision history interface where all your site's saved versions are stored. A new window will open displaying all the revision history from your website. You'll see a comprehensive list of different versions, each with its own timestamp. This makes it easy to track when specific changes were made. From the list of revisions, click on the greater than button next to any version to preview the actual website as it appeared at that specific time. This preview feature is incredibly helpful because it allows you to browse through all the versions of your website and visually compare them before making any decisions. Take your time here and look for the version you wish to restore. Once you've selected and previewed the version you want, you'll notice that the greater than button is now replaced with a restore button. Click on Restore and a confirmation pop-up window will appear. Read through the confirmation message carefully, as this will explain what restoring this version means for your current site. Once you're ready to proceed and you're confident this is the version you want, click on Restore. Your site will then be reverted to that previous version, bringing back all the elements and settings from that specific point in time. And that's it. You've successfully restored a previous version of your Wix site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.